Yo, what's up? It's me, Kidd Kenn, Kenn double N, and by the title you already know, we're about to get fabulous with Fenty. Period. So the first step we're gonna start off with is using the Fenty Skin. It comes in this cute little purple little bottle and it's pink. I'm just gonna squirt a little bit out and I'm gonna rub it all across my face. Fenty sent us this cute little primer. It comes in this cute little light pink bottle and it's just like the last product. You just skirt it out on your hand and you rub it across your face. Now it's time for the EAZE Drop. The EAZE Drop is a skin tint that is flexible, super blendable, and layers so smoothly with the skin and a primer. Just check my skin out. Stop playing. After covering my whole face with Fenty foundation, we're gonna move to the next step, and that's contour my face. First, start off with this Fenty concealer. It's nice, it's like full coverage, it's everything. It's a girl's dream, literally. After using the concealer to contour my face, I'm also going to use the Fenty Cream Bronzer. And basically, I'm going to use this to contour my face to get my cheekbones. Next, I'm going to move up to the eyes, and I'm going to use a little bit of the Fenty Beauty mascara to give my eyes a pop, you know. Then I'm going to hit my nose and my cheekbones with some highlight, and then I'm going to use Fenty Beauty lip gloss. And the lip gloss, let me tell y'all, it got the best formula ever, literally. It smells so good, it's clear, it's popping. My whole look is popping, as you can see. Stop playing. I'm going to need y'all to like, subscribe, and share this video, period. Go shop Fenty. Stop playing.